Good day everyone. So today is we're going to discuss the answer of Newton half final exam in machine design. So number 81, we have the answer is C. It's because in a boiler's shell, the longitudinal joint handles much higher hoop stress and requires a highly efficient joint, which is why a double stack joint is used there. So in number 82, we have so the tearing of a plate occurs along the line of its resistance, which passes right through the rivet's hole. So in the 83, and the answer is A because crushing also called bearing failure occurs when the cylindrical surface of a rivet collapses under compressive contact with the plate hole. So in 84 we have B. The engine boiler regulation or IBR governs safety calculation for pressure vessels in a double cover butt joint. Every rivet passes through two distinct shear planes or double shear which theoretically double its strength factor to 2.0. So in 85 we have answer B. A mechanical joint is only as strong as its weakest link. So a riveted joint can fail in one of three primary structural pathways. So the plate tearing, the rivet shearing in half, or the rivets or plates crashing against each other. So that's all.